All my stuff's junk. I keep crashing it. Keep crashing my good stuff, but a little gap there, hinge is broken, a couple things, so we're gonna try to fix it. Dumpy's been a good one, needs some suspension work too, but we'll get there. Those are up nice. Fixed it. Put a little ticky-tacky in there and call her good. I bet ya. Grind that out, weld that up, we'll blow torch out of that hinge until it's red hot, and then we'll just, spray some in there, work it back and forth. Yeah, that'd be kind of silly if that's all it took. 3 whacks with a hammer and
a couple ticky-tacks.
But that's better anyway, because then we can fix the floor.
What do you think? Well, there's only one thing to find out.
What? That's good. Flammable.
Do you think?
Look at a hole in her, boys. Well, seeing as I probably shouldn't drive anymore, I got myself an electric bicycle. Hiboy. Looks like they packaged the tire without air in it to save weight and shipping. Pass the savings on to the customer. These screws threaded really nice. This one goes 42 kilometers an hour. I think the only other one's only go 29.
Yeah.
This is pretty quick.
Some shots of you.
Oh, did you see my bunny hop?
Oh, I did.
Does go like that.
Oh, it does? It's not as much, eh? Nice. Stops pretty quick.
Hey!
Oh, nice.
I gotta be careful, I almost wiped out.
Oh,
Oh, it won't let you fucking do a won't let you do a skidder.
no.
It like knows you're pulling the brake. Oh. Yeah, as soon as you let off the brake.
Oh.
Holy cow. Holy horsey.
Oh, look at the mark.
Holy horse. Holy fuck, careful. You're getting away from me. Yeah, this one definitely goes fast.
Yeah.
So I gotta fix that front wheel before I fucking wipe out. Decent. Off the trucks, on the bikes.
Oh.
I get hurt twice as bad. A little bit of a freak rain event. Small rain event. No big deal. Looks like we need a catch basin over here too. Maybe fucking dig a little trench over to that one maybe. Good lord. Never ending stovepipe, but if you want a bike, if you want an electric bike, goes fast, goes I think 45, I think I had at one point. Put the link in the prescription, but we'll grab the tractor and get rid of this guy all fixed up there. Door works. Iron's fixed. Decent. Put the thing on the jack maybe and try to straighten it. But I'll probably drag it over there for that. So I won't mash up the asphalt anymore. Look at the colors. So colorful. Inwood's like a rainbow. more straight. See if it works. It's a little chow to Kempis, but at least it's straight. Nice. Fucking scores. Oh, there you go.
Easy.
Yeah. Jack straight, lights work, door works. New paint job. Check that paint job out, eh? That's nice.
Classic.
Yeah, well, you know, we only do the best here in Inwood. So, that's great. And yeah, should be ready to rock. Just gotta wait for tomorrow to get the blues Macooter friggin' ends and then build the bucket. It'll be awesome. It's so awesome, you guys.